And today is Tuesday, the 28th of September, and we're here to do our live market update, talk about what we're seeing for the day, what opportunities there might be, and just give you guys a good reminder to stick to the plan, right? So what is happening today? First things first, we talked about it yesterday, but today we have Mr. Powell is testifying in front of the Senate committee, isn't it? Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs, talking about CARES Act and coronavirus. So could be a market catalyst, although we've been kind of falling the last, for quite a while now. We've been on a downward push. It'll be interesting what comes out of this. I don't know that anything new will happen, but sound bites, because of who it is that's speaking, sound bites can certainly occur, which can be a market driver for us. As far as what we're looking at for the day, we're in a short bias. So the S&P is in a short bias right now. We're looking for short trading opportunities. What that would look like is a push up. We'd like to see higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs coming into the open and maybe even shortly after the open, and then snap back to the direction of that market bias, and we'll sell off of the close of a higher low. So we need to see the market start pushing up, and then we'll sell in the direction of that market bias. Obviously, if you're using the BTX indicator, it's going to tell you. It's going to say, hey, check it out. You'll have a big red arrow over the top of a bar if you've got that opportunity, potential opportunity to sell on the next one, right? So that's what we're looking for. We're waiting for those things to happen. If it does, we're going to sell, right? On crude, we're in a long bias, so crude is certainly looking like a long potential trade here. We had a long trade yesterday. We saw the market pull back, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then the market did break back, snap back in the direction of that market bias. Ultimately took us out for a small loss here. So, it came back, stopped us out, then it's continued to move on a little bit higher without us. That's part of trading. That's going to happen. You're not going to win every trade. Sometimes you'll be right about the direction, and you'll still be wrong about the trade because you'll get taken out with your stop loss. Stop losses are important. Sometimes folks go, well, if I didn't have a stop loss, I wouldn't have gotten taken out. Well, part of that's true, but consider the flip side of it. If this moved against you and just free-falled, you want to always protect your bankroll. That's job number one. Protect your initial your initial trading capital. So always trade with a stop loss. So what we're looking at today, same thing. We'd like to see the market pull back. We'd like to see it start making lower highs and lower lows. I'd like to see a deeper pullback, but lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then if it snaps back in the direction of that current market bias, we're going to take it long. But it needs to pull back first. So we want to wait for that pullback to occur, right? So that's looking for longs. So we're looking for shorts on the S&P, longs on crude, and then we're looking for shorts on gold. Gold is in a short bias again. We've got the 30-minute that's short right here. We've got the 4-hour that's short. So we'd like to see gold push higher. We'd like to see it come up first, make higher lows and higher highs, just like we're waiting for the S&P to do. We'd like to see it push up here and then snap back in the direction of that current market bias to get us into that trade. As far as potential breakout trades, I haven't talked about them in a while. We haven't been in a tight channel that gives us the opportunity to talk about them. So we need to be in a channel in order for us to have a breakout trade. So I don't have any breakouts to give you right now. We just keep following the plan. That's what it's all about, guys. It's all about following the plan and being consistent in our actions. The only way we can get consistent results is to have consistent action. So we can't force things. If we don't get this tight channel going, there's nothing to do from a breakout perspective. If we don't have the action in the market, right? If we're in a short bias, if we don't have that flow up that takes us back short again, we don't do anything. Part of trading is sometimes not doing anything. And so today, though, we have potential opportunity on all of the instruments that we're looking at in our basket here. We've got a potential opportunity on gold, on crude, and on the S&P. So we just need to see the right market conditions occur that tick all those levers and allow us to participate. All right. So that's it. Be patient, be strong, follow your plan, and that's it for now.